Good morning, students. In today's lecture, we will talk about chemical reactions of alkanes. You know it very well that alkanes are the most basic organic compounds, or you can say the most simplest organic compounds, having carbon and hydrogen atoms only. Between the carbon-carbon atoms, we have a single bond. Alkanes are also called paraffins because they are least reactive or due to their little reactivity. Alkanes are generally inert towards the chemical reactions but undergo few reactions which are: number one is isomerization, second one is aromatization, third one is combustion, and the number four is halogenation. Now, what happens in isomerization? You know about the chain isomers. Alkanes exhibit chain isomerism. And for getting chain isomerism, alkanes must have more than 3 carbon atoms because branching starts with 4 carbon atom. So alkanes which contains more than 3 carbon atoms means starting from 4, 5 and 6. When heated in presence of anhydrous AnCl3, then the straight chain alkanes gets converted to branch chain alkanes. The molecular formula for the straight chain alkane and the branch chain alkane, or the reactant and the product, remains same. So here we will obtain isomers. Like if we heat normal butane in presence of anhydrous AlCl3, then it gets converted to isobutane, compound having branching. Its IUPAC nomenclature is 2-methyl propane. Similarly, if we use normal pentane heated in presence of anhydrous AlCl3, gets converted to branching alkenes. And here we have two possibilities. We can get isopentane here or we can get neopentane here. So straight chain hydrocarbons gets converted to branch chain hydrocarbons. The molecular formula of straight chain hydrocarbons and branch chain hydrocarbons remain same, but they have different structures. So here we are getting isomers. That's why the reaction is called isomerization. Then we have next reaction, aromatization. What happens? We will obtain aromatic compounds. You know it very well what are aromatic compounds. Benzene and its derivatives. If the organic compound contains benzene ring, then the compounds are called aromatic compounds. We know it very well that benzene contains 6 carbon atom. So here in second reaction, that is aromatization, we will need alkane containing 6 carbon atom or more than 6 carbon atom. So here normal hexane having molecular formula C6H14, when heated in presence of alumina Al2O3 or Cr2O3, then hydrogen atoms are removed in the form of hydrogen molecule, and normal hexane gets converted to benzene having molecular formula C6H6, the simplest aromatic compound. If some higher homologue is used, means the alkane which contains more than 6 carbon atoms, then in that case we will obtain alkyl substituted benzene. There will be benzene ring and there will be alkyl group. So here, if we use normal heptane heated in presence of Al2O3 alumina or Cr2O3 gets converted to toluene with the removal of 4 molecules of hydrogen. So in reaction number second, that is aromatization, straight chain hydrocarbons or alkanes gets converted to aromatic compounds. Then comes next reaction, combustion. You know the meaning of combustion, burning of substance in presence of oxygen. So if combustion of alkane is carried out, means burning of alkane in presence of oxygen, then every time we will obtain carbon dioxide and water vapor with the release of energy in the form of heat and light energy. This combustion reaction of alkanes are used for obtaining energy from the fuels like methane under the name CNG, compressed natural gas. On combustion provides energy. LPG, liquefied petroleum gas, mixture of normal butane and isobutane mixed with few amount of methane is used as a cooking gas. Diesel, petrol, kerosene, all these are the members of alkanes and can be used as a fuel. So hydrocarbons on combustion every time produces carbon dioxide and water vapor. So here if we take CH4, it is having carbon, it is having hydrogen. There are two types of elements present in alkane. So carbon with oxygen forms CO2 and H with oxygen forms H2O with the release of energy. This is called your combustion reaction. Then we have halogenation reaction. It is a type of substitution reaction where H atoms will be replaced by chlorine atom. The reaction is carried out in presence of sunlight. Energy of sunlight is required. Energy from sunlight is required, which is represented in the form of Hν. H here is length constant and nu here is frequency of radiation. So CH4 in presence of sunlight when treated with Cl2 undergoes halogenation reaction. In this reaction 1H from alkane, 2H from alkane CH4, 3H from methane or 4H from methane can be substituted by chlorine atom. So when 1H is replaced by Cl, we get CH3Cl. The H which is removed combines with chlorine and forms HCl. Every time it is HCl. If 2H are replaced, then we get CH2Cl2. Side product will again HCl. If 3H are replaced, then we obtain CHCl3, and if all the 4H are replaced, we will obtain CCl4. In all the case, side product will be HCl. So here we get monohalogenated compounds or polyhalogenated compounds. So these are the 4 important reactions of alkanes. First, isomerization. Second, aromatization. Third, combustion. And fourth one is your halogenation. That's all in chemical properties of alkane. Thank you and have a good day.